Hi, I'm Mariana. So you're looking for a new home? I'm sure there's a lot on your must-have list. Let's see if we can check them all off at Hanna Crossing. Must-have number 1, low-maintenance living. You won't need to spend your weekends mowing the lawn or pulling weeds because every home in Hanna Crossing will have lawn maintenance included. Must-have number 2, a first-floor owner's suite. Hanna Crossing consists of 2-story townhomes designed with your lifestyle in mind. You will appreciate the thought that went into this design. A first-floor owner's suite, 2 additional bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and an optional covered porch. Convenience is of utmost importance with a 1-car garage and extra wide driveway for extra parking. You'll love all of the details. And inside, you'll be able to pick your favorite professionally designed finishes to match your style. We've hired interior designers for you. Select from professionally designed interior packages that give you confidence everything coordinates. Must-have number 3, convenient location. Hanna Crossing is located in the heart of Anderson on Highway 81. You can find AnMed Hospital and everyday conveniences like Ingles and Publix just minutes away. There are also plenty of ways to stay active when being so close to Lake Hartwell and the YMCA. And if award-winning schools are important, then being across the street from TL Hanna High School will be ideal. Ready to live a low-maintenance lifestyle at Hanna Crossing? If I've checked everything off of your list, take the next step and come see us. I can't wait to welcome you home.